I almost drove by this place. There's no way this is the same house as you guys watched when we bought this thing at a foreclosure auction. We did a video where we got inside after buying this property. We did a walkthrough, we looked around, and I literally was driving down the street thinking it's got to be further up because there's no way this is it. I'm really blown away. I haven't been back here since that video. We've been really, really busy. We need a TV show or something where it's like when we're doing this professionally. This is crazy. Let's go take a look at this place. If you haven't subscribed, take a second to hit that button. We got to go inside. I don't want to wait for my cameraman. We're just running. Let's go. So we were here in the winter after we had bought this place at a foreclosure auction. Now, we've been telling you guys over and over, heck, we wrote the book about how going to foreclosure auctions can be amazing opportunities for you to buy a property and make money doing so. Now we're back at one after we put a little bit of work into this place, a little bit. doesn't say enough. This place looks so nice. I love the siding, nice new windows, still with the stickers on them. We're gonna go in now. This should open up into the kitchen. Let's take a look inside here. All right, we still got a long way to go. This looks familiar. So if you were watching this channel before and saw the walkthrough of this place hasn't been touched in years and is horribly outdated, but we've done some significant work to the property. You can see from the outside how much work has gone into this place, how much that work has made such a big difference. I can't wait to see how the inside is going to transform. Let's go take a look around and see just how they've done already in here. Aside from just getting it trashed out, I see that we've got some stuff going on in the basement. The wonderful bathroom. I think wasn't this the one where I was like standing in the tub and looking in the toilet? Well, things have not changed here yet. Home sweet home. Yikes, get me out of this bathroom. All right, let's look through the rest of that place. Yeah, this is looking good. The windows are in. You can see they got all the sheetrock and materials here. The coolest part is upstairs. Let's go. I remember we were in the eaves of this thing. I cannot believe it. This is huge. This is huge. What a difference this is going to be. Wow. This is going to make it a whole different house. If you remember in the video, there was like these, you can see it over here. I was on that side. This is all bumped out. This is all dormered out now. So this is all livable, usable area. We're framing in a closet. This is going to be a huge room up here, where before it was this very tiny, cramped little place, and it kind of looked like this over here on the side. So you have this little, kind of eaves storage area. This is amazing. This is a whole different place. Wow. I can't wait to see it finished. I might want to move here. Anybody? This is great. Anybody want to be a roommate? What is this going to be, a bathroom? This is insane. We've been making a lot of progress. I know I have a lot of fun with this, and I love showing you guys all about this process. You've seen some incredible stuff on our channel, from dealing with squatters, dealing with crazy tenant situations. We sometimes will buy a house at an auction like this, and we'll turn around and sell it to a contractor that will then renovate it and go through all this work and use it as a flip property or an investment property for them to keep and rent out. In this case here, we decided to take it all the way through that process. We won it from auction, a house that hasn't really been touched in decades, got it in a process of getting it up to speed. It's going to make it a nicer, larger, more beautiful property for the area. And this is going to probably get sold to somebody looking to buy their first move-in ready home. Well, with the dramatic transformation we're seeing upstairs here, I got to go check out the back side of this property and see the bump outs from it and see how it looks so different from what we had seen the last time we were here. So let's go back downstairs. We're going to run around the back side of the house and take a look at the backyard that somebody's going to get to enjoy. I can only imagine sprucing this place up with like a fire pit, having some nice outdoor activities for people. There's a lot of room for activities, and the backyard won't disappoint for that. So let's go take a look at that together. Wow, so here you go. I'm talking about it. The backside of this house is all different from what it used to be. And I mean, you can see the roof line where it pops out like it was. This is really nice. You can see the difference in the property. The neighbors are really going to appreciate that this property is in beautiful shape now. And one of the cool things is you can even see the exhaust vents for the high efficiency heating systems that are installed, as opposed to the old school stuff that was there, where every dollar of heat fuel that you burn, 50% of it's going up the chimney. So this is a huge improvement. What a transformation this house. And it ain't done yet, so this is really exciting. I think the neat thing is going to be too, somebody can buy this property, maybe they'll expand the driveway area, but they've got a ton of off-street parking for themselves, their guests, and then they still have a really good sized backyard for being in a city. Remember, this is the 3rd largest city in this state, so they have a huge amount of off-street parking and backyard that they can utilize. People are going to be really, really happy with this, and I'm glad that we got this property from being a decrepit, dormant house that nobody wanted, and you guys didn't even believe in us, to get this thing back on track. We're not there yet, but we're getting so close. I can feel it. Thanks for being here and being part of this. I can't wait to show you the end result.